Hi guys, welcome to my channel and to this video. In this video, I am going to show you how to activate the dark mode on your Android smartphone. If you ask why we should use the dark mode on your smartphone, it literally saves your battery life and also saves your eyes, which is the most precious camera that you have. So let's see how to activate the dark mode on your Android phone. Before we start the video, please subscribe and like and also comment your opinion in the comment section below. Let's see how to activate the dark mode on your smartphone. And the notification bar is white in color right now, and the menu is also white in color right now. When we activate the dark mode on this smartphone, this notification bar and the menu becomes dark in color, because the dark mode means literally the dark. It becomes the dark theme of your phone, and it will help you to save the battery and your eyes. So to activate the dark mode, let's go to settings, and we can see the display right here, display settings. On other smartphones, the display will be somewhere else in the settings, and you can search it on the search bar for the display. Right now I have the display right here, so select the display and click on the advanced, and there's a device theme on the last. Click on it and select the dark. Let's see, the notification bar has become black in color, and the menu has also become the black, and the calls and also become the black. So the black theme helps to ensure your battery life and to ensure your safeness of the eyes. In the latest Android 10Q, the default theme may be the dark mode, but on this Android 9, the black theme is not completely available, because you can see that in settings it is again the white screen. So the dark mode cannot be completely applied on the Android 9, but on the latest Android, the Android 10 or the Android Q, the dark mode is available completely. That is, everything becomes dark, and also you can see it. Okay, if you like this video, then click like and subscribe and comment on the below section. Thank you.